Hey internet, welcome to this week's Plan With Me video. I decided to try something a little different this week and not plan with a traditional Etsy kit. Instead, I originally wanted to start planning with just this Kikki K sticker book, but as you'll see, gradually as I went along, it worked out a lot easier to also pull from my scraps folder. And for those who don't know, my scraps folder is essentially all the leftover stickers from previous kits I've used. I hate wasting anything or throwing stuff out that still has use, so after using a kit, I'll take all the leftover stickers and put them into my scraps folder so I can use them at a later date, kinda like now. I love the idea of using something completely up, it just feels so therapeutic. It's been a hot minute since I last used washi tape for the bottom strips of a spread, so I was pretty excited to go into my washi tape collection and pick out some. The pink tape with gold bows is from Simply Gilded, and I can't really remember where the other washi tape is from. I want to say IKEA, or potentially Kikki K. Since I'm not using a kit, the whole spread's gonna look a little different to what I'm normally used to, which tends to throw me off a little bit when I attempt these kind of challenges. But it also inspires me and makes me want to do them more so I can take myself out of my comfort zone, be more flexible, and be more creative. I figured I'd throw down the quote box first since I really love this quote. And I just feel like no spread is complete without some headers at the top, so I decided to use some glitter headers for my scrapbook. I just feel like it frames each day a lot better. So in my previous video, Lily mentioned that the new planners from Erin Condren are out, and I haven't actually seen them yet, but she was curious to know what changes I would have liked to see if, say, I had a wish list or something like that. By the way, I am planning to purchase them pretty soon, even though I plan from January to December, just because I make stickers for the Erin Condren Life Planner. However, if you're someone who tends to plan from January to December, I recommend waiting closer towards the end of the year to pick up your planner, just because they do tend to have sales towards that time of year. Anyways, in terms of my wish list, I don't really have an extensive wish list, to be honest. I'm generally pretty happy with the Life Planner, and I would have to be, otherwise I wouldn't use it, but if I was to pick on a few small things, it would probably be the dotted lines that separate the traditional day, afternoon, night boxes, only because almost every week I need to cover them up with whiteout tape. Kind of wish they were either a little bit more faded out so you couldn't really see them under a sticker, or honestly, bring back the solid rectangles but maybe use light grey color or something like that. I feel like it would just blend into the sticker kits a lot better. But other than that, I don't really have any other issues with the neutral planner. I will say I really miss the old colors that used to be in the Erin Condren Life Planner. If you've been using the Life Planner for say 2-3 years now, then you'll know which one I'm referring to. I'm not the biggest fan of the new colors that they picked out last year. I really love the old ones, especially May. Do you guys remember May? It was like pink and mint green. It was beautiful. I love that so much. I wish they had like maybe pastel colors or something like that. Like every month a different pastel color. I think I would definitely switch to a pastel colorful life planner if they had one. Anyways, back to the video. Thanks to my ramblings, we're already on the second half of this spread, but just to recap, this is my last week at my current job, and I've essentially been walked for the final week, which means I can do whatever I want in the last week, which, it's pretty cool. Then I have to go back to the office on the last day for my exit interview, hand over my badges, laptop, etc. So that means I'll be spending most of the week prepping for the following week and working on videos, stickers, etc. Especially since I'll be going on holiday pretty soon, so I need to make sure everything is in order before I go. I'm planning to spend Monday at home where I'll be working on stickers and cleaning my home office because it's kind of a bum site at the moment, so I really need to fix it up. Tuesday I plan to head into the city office so that I can focus on editing videos since the internet there is so much faster. Plus, I'll be meeting up with some friends for both lunch and dinner. Wednesday's going to be another home day for me. I'm going to be filming videos and working on stickers. Fingers crossed. Thursday is Japanese, so it makes sense to work from the city office and edit videos because I have so many videos to edit. And finally, Friday. Friday, my last week at my current job. I'm actually planning to vlog the entire week, though I won't be uploading it till a couple weeks from now, so be sure to look out for that. It's going to be a tough day though, but it's definitely time. And I'll actually be vlogging in the office, around my desk, the view of my desk, all that sort of stuff, mostly just for my own keepsakes, but if you guys were ever curious about what I do for work, or previously, or where I work and stuff like that, well, be sure to look out for that vlog because you'll see everything then. The weekend's going to be kind of semi-busy. Saturday will be probably the busy one. We've got to get our groceries done in the morning because I'm going to start meal prepping for the new job, which I'm really excited for. I cannot wait to start meal prepping and coming up with new recipes. And after that, I need to head into the city office to work with the software team on the app we're building. After that, I'm going to edit a ton of videos, and then I'm going to head out for an ultra late dinner. Fortunately, Sunday will be completely chilled in comparison, which is perfect. I really want to have a quiet day just before I start my new job. Then I'm going to finish off the sidebar with the usual, and that's the entire spread. I kind of really love it, and I'm a little surprised, but I think trying to keep the colors consistent really helps pull the look together. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this week's Plan With Me video. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, Internet.